Hello everyone, and welcome to Ayesha'S Unique Cuisines. Cuisine du monde basically means cuisines around the world. So this is a channel whereby we cook cuisines around the world, easy peasy recipes that you can easily learn and also try at the comfort of your own home. My name is Chef Ayesha, and this is my channel. So the benefit of subscribing to this channel is that, like I said before, you have the privilege of learning different recipes that you will love across the globe. So today I'm going to teach you how to make my Scotch Bonnet mix. So Ayesha'S Scotch Bonnet mix, I use it in most of my recipes, and trust me, it takes the taste to another level. So stay tuned as I take you through the process, and ensure that you watch the video right to the end because there is a tip. So the ingredient for this recipe, we need one large onion, white onion. We need some garlic, approximately about 5. Our Scotch bonnet, or some people refer to it as habenaro. And I also have the cayenne pepper as well, and then some ginger. That is just about it. And of course some water that will aid in the blending process. So let's continue. So guys, I'm gonna use this measuring cup. I'm going to put some water in there, not too much, and then
a place where your cooking is cared for. Ayesha'S cuisines, Ayesha'S cuisines, a place where your cooking is cared for. Ayesha'S cuisines. You are what you eat. Eat well, live well. Ayesha'S cuisines. Ayesha'S cuisines. Come on, Ayesha'S cuisines. A place where your cooking is cared for.
And now at this point,
Ayesha'S cuisines. Come on, Ayesha'S cuisines. A place where your cooking is cared for. Ayesha'S cuisines. You are what you eat. Ayesha'S cuisines. So this is a cooking platform whereby we cook cuisines around the world. So if you like eating recipes across the globe, then this channel is for you. And you can support it by subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing. That way, YouTube get to recommend my channel, and I also get to upload more videos.
Just take one of the tubes and then use it. This is my Scotch Bonnet mix. See, very handy. Try it and incorporate it in your cuisines or your recipes. Give me a thumbs up for like. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video. And to then, it's a goodbye from me to you. I'll put a link to the rest of my seasoning bouillon as well as my green seasoning in the description for you to access. Take care and bye.